Sage here for Kalkine Media. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to be notified of the latest videos. In today's trending topic, we're covering when does the Commonwealth Bank of Australia pay its dividends? A dividend is a portion of the company's earnings paid to the shareholders as decided by the board of directors, and several companies pay a dividend to the shareholders as a reward for investing their money into their business. Large, established companies that have more predictable profits are regarded as the best dividend payers. A significant chunk of dividend-paying firms is from industries including basic materials, oil and gas, banks and financials, as well as healthcare and utilities. On the other side, start technology biotech companies may not provide regular dividends as they are either in the early stage of development or invest huge capital in research and development or expansion plans. Investors prefer dividend stocks as they provide benefits through both dividend payments and stock price appreciation. And besides, dividends are real and can't be faked or developed via fraudulent accounting. They also tell you about the financial health of the company. With this backdrop, let us walk through CBA'S dividend plan. When the Commonwealth Bank pays a dividend. Commonwealth Bank of Australia, on the ASX ticker as CBA, is one of the top 4 banks in Australia and has consistently provided a dividend to its shareholders. And generally the bank announces dividend payments 2 times a year. An interim dividend in February and a final dividend in August. In the first half of financial year 2021, which the period ended 31st December 2021, CBA paid a fully franked dividend of $1.50 Australian on the 30th of March 2021. How does CBA pay the dividend? The company pays dividends by direct credit, and the amount gets deposited in the nominated bank account of the shareholders, and these shareholders belong to either of the 3 regions, Australia, the UK and New Zealand. Shareholders from regions other than the ones stipulated can opt for dividend payments through direct credit into the nominated bank account, provided the bank account is in the country of the nominated currency. And these currencies include the euro, the Hong Kong dollar, the Singapore dollar, the Swiss dollar or the Swiss franc, and the US dollar. If the shareholder does not provide bank details by record date and is not a participant in Dividend Reinvestment Plan, then the amount would be held on behalf of the shareholders in a non-interest-bearing account. On receipt of the payment instructions, the amount is paid to the nominated account. Does the Commonwealth Bank provide a Dividend Reinvestment Plan? Yes. In short, CBA offers a Dividend Reinvestment Plan to its shareholders, or a DRP. Dividend Reinvestment Plan allows qualified shareholders in Australia and New Zealand to reinvest all or a portion of their dividends to get additional shares in the company instead of cash payments. And the advantage of opting for a DRP is that the shareholder can easily increase their holdings and they will not have to incur any transaction cost. Features of DRP. The qualified shareholders would receive shares instead of a cash dividend. The number of shares the shareholders would get would be as per the market price of the share. And a franking credit is applied to dividend invested under the DRP. The shares issued under the DRP would rank equally with other CBA shares. If there is any residual amount left in the DRP account, it would be added in the next dividend to evaluate any upcoming share entitlements. Participation in DRP is optional and the shareholder can change the election at any time. And CBA's development in the second half of financial year 2021. On the 27th of May 2021, the company provided an update to its strategy and investment to reimagine products and services and develop the best digital banking experiences. CBA's CEO stated that the company is moving towards digital banking and CBA is investing to stay at at the forefront of innovation. The company aims to become the most trusted partner of its customers' financial lives by saving them money, provide better control over their finances, and making banking simpler and easier. On the 21st of June 2021, CBA announced that it signed an agreement to sell its Australian general insurance business to the Hollard Group. And through this deal, CBA would establish a 15-year strategic partnership with Hollard to distribute home and motor vehicle insurance products to retail customers of the Commonwealth Bank in Australia. Thanks for joining us on that report, and if you like this information, please like, share and comment on the video below and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Press the bell icon to be notified of the latest videos, and for regular updates and more information, please head to the website kalkinemedia.com. And this is Sage for Kalkine Media.